Hello, everyone. So I just got off of the Saturday coaching and just felt like there were other layers that I wanted to dive into. And I'm just going to take you on a little journey. So take a few deep breaths, pulling your energy and awareness into your line. And we call forth the Ascended Masters to encircle us in this safe and sacred space. We invite the higher self, view your body, your teams to connect to your own healing source, your own spiritual power, all aspects of your being. And we call forth the appropriate sacred geometric healing holograms, sounds, mandalas, and light that have the capacity to support you from a place of clarity, discernment, balance, grace, and calm. We ask that these intentions are held in the energetic fields. So the very first thing that I'm seeing, I'm just going to keep my eyes closed because I see so clearly when my eyes are closed. The very first thing that I'm seeing energetically when I take a look at what's happening on the planet, within ourselves, that might create a level of distortion, unsettledness, is that the majority of the people are holding their anchors for themselves in the outer world. And we're empathically feeling that mass consciousness holding awareness outside of self. And so, solution, you take a deep breath in, pulling yourself into your line, inviting some energetic aspect of you, your body, and your teams to lift all of your anchors off of everyone and everything, bringing all of your anchors back to your divine line, back to your divine cosmic loop. Body, divine nature, spirit, bringing all of your anchors back to your line, back to your divine cosmic loop, holding your reference points, your awareness internally, vertically in your inner river of light. And then you take another deep breath with an intent, imagination, holding your energy and awareness vertically in your line of light. Eyes inside, eyes inside, eyes inside. And as you hold your energy and awareness inside, taking a look at the next layer. There is a destabilization of the grids. All of these root structures are shifting and changing. And so we are again empathically feeling the masses, wondering what is supporting them, and not feeling a lot that is supporting them because it's destabilized. And so you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, body, divis, higher self, and teams, working with your energetic fields and the guides, bringing all of your energy and awareness to your own vibration that flows in your individual divine cosmic loop from the base chakra down. And to use your higher self, your energetic field, same for your body, to craft your own vibrational root structure that sustains you, your wisdom, your mastery, your gifts, your passion. Body, divine nature, spirit, weave your root system in a way that is in alignment with your gifts, your wisdom, your mastery. Expand and extend your roots all the way down to the heart of earth and or down and looping back behind you, having those roots, soul rider, go through your entire portion of the back of your divine cosmic loop, all the way back up to your spark in the heart of source. So you've got this huge root structure that is around and aligned with the lower and back portion of your divine cosmic loop, body, divine nature, spirit, crafting, weaving your own root structure that goes down into the heart of earth, looping back up in front of you to your spark in the heart of source. Your own root structure, crafting it, weaving it in a way that is stable, sustainable for the current light that's streaming onto the planet at this time. So all anchors in your line, all of your roots around you. And then inviting some energetic aspect of you, soul rider, your body and teams to send appropriate energetic information to everyone at the level of their higher selves that's on this planet, that's around this planet. Returning any responsibilities you might be holding for them back to them at the level of their higher selves where they have capacity to receive it, sending appropriate energetic information, returning the responsibilities. Not your job to evolve humanity. Evolve yourself, model that in your fields. Return those responsibilities, send the appropriate energetic information, and inviting some energetic aspect of you to reference an appropriate dimensional layer that sustains you, supports you, protects you, and is out of the mass consciousness field. Using your higher self, your energetic field, your body, Deva, to bring your energy and awareness into a harmonic dimension that sustains you, bringing all of your grids, your roots into that harmonic realm. And then inviting your higher self, body, Devas, higher self, and teams to clean your energetic fields using the appropriate frequencies, sounds, light, tonal frequencies, light language, energetic codes, sacred geometric shapes that clean your fields, bringing you back into your own resonance field of your essence, your light, your wisdom, your mastery. And breathe. Holding space as some energetic aspect of you references that dimension that has the capacity to support you, the appropriate dimension that supports your body, cleaning your fields in those realms, dissolving all discordant vibrations, holding your anchors in your line, expanding your roots around that lower portion of the divine cosmic loop. And then breathe. And then I'm just checking to see if there's any other layers that can help bring you into, again, a more aligned harmonic vibration. So emotions, yanahi, little light language. So the body, Deva, is looking at the holidays, and the body is starting to feel all of the unprocessed emotions of family, whether family is still here in this world or not. Unprocessed emotions of other families. So then your body starts to take on all of these unprocessed emotions and tries to run all of these unprocessed emotions in its field, and that's going to jam the body. It's going to cause pain, headaches, anxiety, resistance, you name it. And so taking a deep breath in, holding your energy and awareness in your line. Body, divine nature, spirit at the level of your higher self, working with your energetic fields and the guides reference any emotions, any emotional bundles that you are starting to take on or hold or process or become aware of that you are holding that belongs to others in the family system or other families, and invite your higher self, body, Deva, to return all of those bundles of all of those emotions, anybody's unprocessed emotions, back to them, back to that body, Deva, where it has a capacity to receive it, returning it back to every single ancestor, every single family member, letting them process their own emotions as their own fuel for their own growth and evolution. Keep returning, body, Deva, all of those emotional bundles that you are starting to hold that are not yours, spinning your fields in a counterclockwise direction to return all of those emotional bundles back to them at the level of their higher selves where they have the capacity to receive it. Keep returning, 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 returning. All emotional bundles that are not yours, body, Deva, out of your fields, out of your fields. Good. That's a biggie. So if you start to feel emotionally overwhelmed, resistance, anger, frustration, grief, recognize that as we move into the holiday season, it's really important to remind our body to just manage its own emotions. No matter how evolved you are, you can only manage your own energy. And every day you might say to your body, just manage your own emotional bundles. Use your own emotions for your own growth and evolution, your own state of maturation, your own awakening in a gentle, graceful way. Use your emotional field, use your higher self, use your energetic fields. You don't have to use your physical field to process your emotions, because that'll cause pain, disease, illness, discomfort, feeling not well. And so keep coaching your body to return any emotional bundles that it might pick up, that it might be given, that do not belong to it. And we can also bring in a daily cup in the next week or so, probably in the next week, to help body return any emotional bundles that it might start to hold that do not belong to your body, especially from family. And I'm also going to be continuing to dive into deeper layers, because we're doing a tall cups on Monday. So today's the 19th, 20th, 21st. So November 21st, we'll be doing a tall cup, that hour-long energy balancing session. I'll be tuning into the energy that's coming onto the planet, setting up the energy for holidays, for gatherings, for travel, safe travel. Also helping the body stay healthy, keeping the microbes balanced. And I'll be just also listening to the guides, listening to your higher self of what other aspects could come in the tall cups that would help you level up, move into a more harmonic vibration inside yourself. And if these pieces, these tools in today's little sample session, granted today's session that I just did here, 10 minutes, I went really fast. And I typically go fast because we want to override the mental body. We want to let the energy fields do it. And so if we go really fast and the mental body can't even keep up, and it's your energetic fields doing the work. And then once your energy fields have done the work, then you mentally are like, "Whew, I feel a shift. Feel different, lighter." And those pieces that I was bringing in, those are like basic practices. But sometimes we have to do the basic practices to get to that more advanced practice. And this could be just a little practice that you do every single day of all of your anchors inside, holding your awareness in a harmonic dimension, using your own roots to ground you in your own unique way. And that also increases support, resources in your life. Can also create more calm regardless of your outer circumstances. So hopefully this is useful. And if it is, feel free to share it with others that you think might resonate with this level of work, essentially using your energetic fields to shift your consciousness, to awaken, to change behavior, to change your situation, your scenario that you hold inside yourself. So taking another deep breath in, pulling your energy and awareness into that line of light, divine line. We ask for a balancing and a stabilizing of your fields, updating all of your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. We ask that you're wrapped in sheets of rainbow light, gently sealing these vibrations in to whatever degree is appropriate for your spiritual evolutionary state. And let it be so. How.